Ezoim,
And
what do we do about my daughter-in-law Juliana? With the prince developing interest towards her, what do we do?
Frank and them, why bother yourself? And you know where it's so. Many good men have come and gone. Mandy Diego. So don't bother yourself. But why I am bothered is the prince of this land have also developed interest in her, and the family are also waiting for a response. I don't understand. Am I wrong?
My dear, the relationship between my son and your daughter has stretched so long.
I'm telling you.
And you and I know that if not for the bond market that happened in Onitsha, that affected my son so badly that made him to go back to the village. If not, by now, my son should have 3 or 4 children with Juliana as his wife.
And that is the reason why I am angry. That is the reason why I'm so bothered. I know how Okudili helped Juliana's younger one during their secondary school. And because his business went down, that is why they had to go and stay with their uncles. As it is, my family and I are strongly behind you. So don't bother yourself. We are where Okudili is. Oh? So bother no. I know Ebu no.
Thank you very much. I'm just short of words.
Don't be.
But till then, let's cross our fingers.
Don't be. Don't be. Don't bother yourself. Oh? Hey!
My prince, you have tasted the woman in me. You've equally shared in all my secrets. What then is delaying you from getting married to me?
Well, the truth of the matter is I do like and, kind of love your person, but I don't love you to the end of marrying you. No, not at all. I have eyes on Juliana. She's the one I want.
But you don't know her. How can you say that?
Okay.
You just met her recently.
I just met her recently. Wow. Alright. I'm going to talk to you now from my standpoint as a prince, within my office as a prince. Gift. You will help me get Juliana. You will give me every information about Juliana. You will make me understand her because Juliana is for keeps.
Yes. I know that every woman wants to have you forever. And it's equally natural that I get jealous. But you see, I will never and cannot introduce you to Juliana.
Okay, then you leave me no choice. No choice. If you do not help me get Juliana, I will also have to tell my father, the king, that you had an abortion for his Naya.
What then becomes my fate?
Fate? Polygamy is not an abomination, no. It's not even a sin, trust me, when I say that that is very debatable. I will marry Juliana. And it's possible I marry you too. Yes. It is very possible. I mean, after all, Jacob married 2 sisters in the Bible, huh? Let me get you something to drink, eh?
My love for you is unbreakable. My love for you never fade away. It's you I want, it's you I want to have. No matter what they do, I'll never let you go. Makaneme man no so kibu onyembu no pia. If I saw of a baby, Okutili kamu yeso. I'll never leave your side. My heart will stick with you. Even though if the world is turning upside down, I go stand giddy bahele. For your love, I go seke. I go make them to pere. Say this love will not be kukere. I go stand giddy bahele. For your love, I go seke. I go make them to pere. Say this love will not be kukere. I did the breeder. Whoa, oh, oh, I da 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 da. My love for you is unbreakable. My love for you never fade away. It's you I want, it's you I want to have. No matter what they do, I'll never let you go. Makaneme no man.
I'm through with them.
Oh, you're through?
Yes.
You're sure?
Yes.
You're done?
Oh, yes. I bribed a few that needed my services.
Okay.
Yes,
All
right.
right. Okay, so where are you headed now?
Well, someone called me that they needed my services at my shop, so I want to go there and meet them.
Okay, all
Yes,
right.
right.
Okay, nice. Nice, very nice.
That's my friends.
Yes, I'd like to ask you this question. I hope you don't mind.
Okay.
Yes. Do you know anybody? Matter of fact, I have also heard that you're having something to do with some girl named Juliana. You're dating her.
Oh, yes, my prince.
Okay.
Oh, like you said, we're not just having a thing. Okay. We are dating, real dating. In no distant time, she will be my wife.
Oh, really?
Yes, I love her.
Wow.
Yes, my
nice. Which brings me to my next question.
Okay.
You being a struggling, aspiring young man and having something to do with an equally beautiful and aspiring young lady as well. If peradventure she gets to meet some rich man and her parents get to know this rich man, and in turn she's pressured by her parents to, elope with him or marry him, what will you do?
This is a very sensitive question, my friend.
Yes, of course.
But of a truth, it's out of the picture. Yes,
okay.
She can't try such a thing. She loves me, and we love each other genuinely.
Wow.
Oh yes. I don't want to think about it because I trust her. I know she will deliver. She will marry me. Oh yes.
Okay, all right. Okay,
Yes.
nice. I mean, I like your, strong, will, your zeal. Yes. And your belief in her.
Oh,
and
yes.
believe in your relationship.
Yes.
Nice. It's okay. It's all right. It's
Thank you,
okay.
my friend.
Yeah. Sam will give you 30,000 naira for your services.
30,000 naira.
Yes.
Hold on, my prince. I just barbed 3 people and I shaved 1 person. It's not even my fee is not even up to 6,000 naira. Eh?
Well, let's just say it's a gesture from the prince to you.
Hey, thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much.
No, don't do this.
Thank you so
Don't
much,
do this.
my prince.
Please,
Thank you.
please stand
Thank
up.
you.
Please.
Thank you.
Stand up.
Hi. I really appreciate this. My God will reward you.
And you too.
Thank you so much. I appreciate this, my friends.
Very well.
Do you need me to come back again? Or should I barb anyone?
No, not at all. Just go do your job. It's okay.
My friends, I can wait.
I
can distract them in the shop.
It's okay.
30,000, I'm okay for the day.
It's okay. It's all right. Just go. You're a hustler. Go hustle more. Go make some more money.
Thank you.
Very well.
Thank you. I appreciate this.
Have a nice one.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And I never got over how to play this game. Mwa joke where Mwa use it to match. Can you
stop talking?
Now. Calm down. Don't rush me. Oh God, Juliana.
Hey, get come here. Jeru go da ahia nke you first before you chefu. Ngwa continue n'eziana.
Is it to give Jen? Continue.
Hey. Ngwa.
I'm even tired.
Juliana.
Why are you people drunk today? Chena is tired of losing. She's scared of. Why are you looking at my game?
I agree. I'm not looking at your game. I'm looking at you.
Why are you looking at me?
When Sikisi Acham, you're not glowing. What is happening? Chaya.
Gift, you're very funny.
You're my friend.
Well, you're right, Sha. You're right. I've stopped using my cream for some time. I actually finished. I don't have money to buy both the cream and the soap. It's my mother's soap I've been using for some time now.
Now I noticed it too. What about Okwe? Tell him to give you money now so you can get your cream.
Hey, he's your boyfriend.
My dear, will I kill the poor boy? He has a lot on his head, so much responsibilities. I don't want to bother him with cream. There are other important things he's using money for.
What do you mean?
Juliana,
I thought you said every single home service he gives to the prince, he gives him like 5,000, 10,000, or at time 15,000. Let him squeeze something out of it and give you the money.
My dear, it's true. But the truth is, I've not really told him that my cream has finished. I've not told him. I'm waiting for me to save up money. There's this other cream I want to start using. That one will be better for my skin because this other one is not working. The former one I'm using is not really working like that. So the new one is quite expensive. I want to save up money so that when he gives me money for the old one, I'll merge it together and buy.
Okay. So, like, how much are you looking at?
Do you want to give her the money?
What is wrong with me?
It's okay.
Asking my very good friend how much her cream is worth.
The cream is 6,500 naira.
No way, 6,000. Took us a 500. No, Rika, to cough out for just ordinary cream.
Do you know when she was asking me? I thought she wanted to give me the money.
I thought you wanted to give her the money at once.
God, this girl. See me play, Joe. Last card, though. This girl can spoil game for someone.
Give to the baby.
October for senses now, one by one. They are desperate, village guys. They are desperate, village. They no get shame at all. Village girls. All of them are go digger. Village girls. They are desperate, village girls. Anya fadi chokununa. Village. They no get shame at all. Village girls. Umwaseme village ya. Village girls. Everybody want to follow the prince, yeah. Everybody want to marry the prince, yeah. See, I see this girl, so they disgrace their mama. Desperate chicks, they want marry the prince.
Good afternoon, my prince.
Good afternoon. So what do you have for me?
My prince.
Yes.
The thing is, Juliana, my friend.
Okay.
Her toiletries are finished, and I know very well she doesn't have money to replace them.
The barber guy, doesn't he have money to give her?
No, my prince. He doesn't have money. I heard he has a lot of issues now, and my friend does not want to disturb him. But she's saving up to add to the one the guy will give her later. But I know very well, very, very well, I am sure she doesn't have 1 naira anywhere. My prince, she's a woman. She needs to...
It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. It's okay. I'll take it from here. Yes. Sam will get to you.
Okay, my prince. Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Everybody want to follow the prince, yeah. Everybody want to marry the prince, yeah. See, I see this girl, so they disgrace their mama. Desperate chicks, they want marry the prince, yeah. Jay, they don't know say the prince in Abadoski. With his so much power, just like he in the Boski. Onya palopotano soka bakwano nyazo. Okuba for senses, no, one by one. They are desperate, village guys. They are desperate, village. They no get shame at all. Desperate village girls. All of them are gold digger. Desperate village girls. They are desperate, village girls. Anya fadi chokununa. Desperate village. They no get shame at all. Desperate village girls. Umwaseme village, yeah. Desperate village girls. Everybody want to follow the prince, yeah. Everybody want to marry the prince, yeah. See, I see this girl, so they disgrace their mama. Desperate chicks, they want marry the prince, yeah. Jay, they no know say the prince in Abadoski. With his so much power, just like he in the Boski. Onya paloputano soka bakwano nyazo. Okuba for senses, no, one by one. They are desperate, village guys. They are desperate, village. They no get shame at all. Desperate village girls. All of them are gold digger. Desperate village girls. They are desperate, village girls. Anya fadi chokununa. Desperate village. They no get shame at all. Desperate village girls. Umwaseme village, yeah. Desperate village girls. They are desperate, village girls. They are desperate, village. They no get shame at all. Desperate village girls. All of them are gold digger. Desperate village girls. They are desperate.
Juliana,
Mama.
what is wrong with you? Eh? Why will you do that? Are you a child? Is it because the prince is asking for your hand in marriage? That is why you do not know who he is. What, Juliana?
Mama, I will respect him for who he is. But what I will not take from him is intimidation and humiliation. What kind of nonsense is that now?
Juliana, is that why you did what you did? Forgetting that he is a prince. What will your friends say or do? What, Juliana?
So, Mama, I should use because of what my friends will say and accept what I don't want. Mama, I don't want him is I don't want him. How else do you want me to spell it out? I'm not interested.
Is that what you are saying? What, Juliana?
Mama, that is what I am saying. That is what I am saying. I can't be accepting gifts from someone I don't want in front of my friends. Tomorrow now they will go out and tell everybody that the prince is feeding my family and I.
Because that's exactly what they will say. Okay, Fogi. Juliana. Okay, Fogi, Juliana. You think you are still a kid, okay?
What is it?
Ask your daughter.
What is it?
Papa, the prince came, sent someone to bring gifts to me. And I said I don't want it. I didn't want to accept it because tomorrow now they will say the prince is feeding my family and I. Now Mama is angry with me for not accepting it.
My daughter, it's okay. We'll talk about that. I have told you that where you stand is where I stand. So go and get me water to drink.
Okay, Papa.
Don't worry yourself.
My love for you is unbreakable. My love for you never fade away. It's you I want, it's you I want to have. No matter what they do, I'll never let you go. Makaneme man no so kibu onyembu no if I solo for
What is the problem? What is wrong? Tell me. Talk to me. Obium, why are you crying?
I need you to get me pregnant. Baby, get me pregnant. Get me pregnant so we can steal every storm. Kill every Goliath and then you go ahead and pay my bride price because that is the only way this nonsense will stop.
Obium, what is the issue? Huh? What is going on? What is happening? Talk to me.
I'm tired. Maybe I am tired. I need you to stop caring about what people will say. Stop trying to do the formalities. Just go ahead and get me pregnant so everyone will just shut their mouth and I will rest.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. Huh? Stop, please. Stop saying that. Huh? I do not want you to be sick. So stop crying, please. Can you stop this, please? I thought we've closed this issue.
They reopen it. Reopen it because I'm tired. I'm tired of the harassment, the embarrassment. Baby, just help me. I don't know why it is so difficult for you to get me pregnant. Oh, baby, do you want to leave me for someone else? No. Maybe you want to leave me for someone else. Hey. That is why it's been so difficult for you to do it.
Baby, can you stop? Can you stop, please? Eh? I just want us to do the right thing. Stop. Stop crying, please. Please. You're the only one in my life. You're my everything. Stop. Let's just take things easy. Stop crying. Things will get better, okay? Stop, babe. Stop.
Ha! Your Majesty.
No, don't worry.
Welcome. Welcome to my poor abode. You should have sent for me.
It is indeed. Very poor. Your compound reeks of poverty.
I don't understand.
What was it you said when you first greeted?
I said you should have sent for me instead of taking the stress of coming to my poor abode.
Stress? It's you who would have stressed yourself coming to my palace. I comfortably came here in my car. I did stress. I don't even drive. I have given you the opportunity for you to have some enjoyment in your life. To enjoy. What do you derive from being poor? What do you choose? Poverty. Why, woman? Why?
Your Majesty, no one was born to choose poverty. It is only God that will tell one will make it.
You have it. What everyone craves for. In your palms. To choose where to belong. In the world of people who has already made it, or the world of people who are still going to make it. God knows when this opportunity will come again, as you have thrown the first one away.
Your Majesty, when you enjoy the success a man can bring and misses God's time for you, I think that is the worst thing that can happen to anybody. My family and I has not lost hope in making wealth. Surely we will make it, Your Majesty.
And so what are you saying?
Your Majesty, what I am saying is that my family and I cannot be bought or convinced with royalty. Okudili and Juliana have come a long way, Your Majesty.
Some people do like suffering. Come on, let's go.
Gift. What's going on between you and the prince?
Hey.
I'm asking you for the last time. Gift. What is going on between you and the prince?
I don't understand what you're talking about. What do you mean?
I ask you a question, and you're asking me as if I don't know what I'm talking about. Please.
There's nothing going on between the prince and I. But if you're not convinced, you can ask him yourself. And mind you, we're standing on the road. We should not be discussing about the prince. People might be listening, you know.
I met your mother at home. She said you went out without telling her where you were going. And besides, why should I ask the prince?
Because you want to be convinced, right? Meet him, ask him yourself.
Listen, I know there's something fishy somewhere. I just cannot fix it.
Hey. Chine, wait first. Wait, are you trying to accuse me of having something to do with the prince? Chine, do you know you are indirectly accusing me of backstabbing my friends?
Are you sure backstabbing is not one of the things you're doing? Because I did not say anything like that. I only said something is fishy.
Chine, at this point, I think we have to call it off. Because you want to force words out of my mouth and later you say that's what I said. No problem. We'll see later.
No, I saw your mother on her way to the market.
Oh.
And she said you were at home cooking.
Yes, I was cooking. But I'm done now. I just decided to rest a little before I take her on to her shop in the market.
Oh, that's nice. Julie, there's something that I want to ask you.
Okay.
Why have you been avoiding your friends? I mean, did we do anything to you that we don't know of?
Mercy, you people did not do anything. Just that I decided to stay on my own and sort myself out.
Oh.
Yes.
You know there is no problem you can solve without one or two ideas from your friends. Eh? Well, that's if you open up to us. So.
Mercy, like I said, there's no need for all that. It's a personal issue, something I want to sort out myself. Yes.
Personal issue. Since when did you start having personal issue? I mean, there is nothing we have not shared together. So what are you saying? Even when Chinenye's ex got her pregnant, we made sure that nobody had about it. We buried the whole saga. Not for a day did we use it against her, regardless of all the problem, the argument, the quarrels we've had. So what are you saying? We are your friends.
Mercy, there comes a time in an adult's life when he or she decides to cut one or two people out of our life because you don't know where your problem is coming from. Don't get me the wrong way, I'm not saying you people are the problem, but I just want to personally sort out myself. Let me know where my problem is coming from. And so please don't get it the wrong way.
Wait. Why are you talking to me like we are no longer friends? What are you saying?
Nne, I did not say we are no longer friends. I only said I want to sort out this particular problem myself. At least let me know where my problem is coming from. By the time I'm done and I'm okay, in a good frame of mind, I will come back. You people are my friend. I will not discard you.
At this point, I doubt. If you can talk like this, I doubt. Huh? How can you be hiding things from us and you say we are friends? Huh. I don't understand what is going on.
Biko, what do I offer you?
Offer? No. My mood has changed. At this point, I don't want anything. Yes.
So you won't drink even water?
Water? Pure water. I don't want to drink.
I'm
not asking him. I don't know where you're coming from.
So what are we going to do? Yeah. Do you want to come inside?
There will be no need. None of the above, actually.
Oh, really?
Just that the prince have demanded your presence in the palace.
Oh, the prince?
Exactly.
Well, tell him that I have an important appointment to catch up with today.
What other appointment would be that important than you serving the prince of your kingdom, if I should ask?
I beg your pardon? I don't get it. I said I am not free today. I have an important appointment to catch up with. What are you talking about? Eh? Is it by force to serve the prince? I am not free. Tell him that.
And what would that be, if I may ask?
What would...
And who are you to be asking that kind of question? Eh?
My brother. Please. I don't need you now. Please. Don't put your mouth in this. Thank you. Go and tell the prince that I have an important appointment to catch up with. I don't want to see him today. I don't want to come to the palace today to cut his hair. I will not do it. Tell him that I said that.
You will not do it?
Yes!
We'll see about that.
It's okay now. I don't want to cut the prince's hair. Is it by force? I don't want to come to the palace. What is all this now? I chose him a cut. Tell him that I said that I'm not coming. If you want to kill me, go ahead and kill me. I go. I beg. But this guy go fix this chair.
Okay.
Nobody called me.
Yes, I called you. What have you done that made the king want to see me first thing tomorrow morning?
I did nothing. I can't figure out anything. When did that happen?
That was when we were having our cabinet meeting at the palace.
Okay. Is there any specified reason he called?
No. Obidike told me how you refused going to the prince to give me a haircut. Why?
When you get there, tell him what I said.
What did he say?
I told one of the guards that came here to pick me up that I have an important appointment that I needed to attend to. So when you get there, tell him that. I have something I'm doing. Really? I'm not, yes, I'm busy.
But why must you tell the guards such thing? What's wrong with you, Okudre? Ogini?
Why would I tell the guards such thing? Huh? I own my life. I'm working for to make money. So I have other people that I attend to. I have to go there. I want to put an end to something.
That is not how to put an end to such things.
Papa, that is personally how I want to put an end to this one. I am not interested. I don't want to go there again. Tell them that I said so, please. Eh? Enough of all these things. Enough. I'm tired.
Okudere, still, that is not how to put an end to such things. Let me tell you now. If I get to the palace, I will play with the prince to forgive you. Then they will send another guard to come and pick you.
Papa, please. I respect you a lot. I do not want to disobey you. Please, Papa, please. I don't want to go there. We have lots of headquarters, barbers in this community. They should look for one. I am no longer interested. I don't want to go there. Please, 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 Papa.
Hold on, Cheregodu. It is too early for me to enter into argument with you. But just think about what I've just told you now. Oh? I am your father. There's no way I can deceive you. Calm yourself down. Oh, hey.
You're going to pay me 15,000. Because I'll plate this here very well.
I'll give you 1 million.
Yeah?
Baby, easy.
Relax now.
I told you we should wait. Chidima will do this.
Hey!
Greetings, Okudili.
Yeah, what do you want?
You see, the prince has once again accepted that you come to the palace for the home service. The thing is, your father came to the palace this morning and asked for your forgiveness on your behalf. So can we go now?
I am not my father. Go there and tell the prince that I will not come to that palace. I said don't want to go to that palace. I'm not coming there. Go and tell the prince what I said. I still maintain my stand. Did you hear what I said?
What did you say?
I said I'm not coming. You heard me loud and clear. Go and tell him that I'm not coming.
Don't mind him, he's coming. Just go to the car and wait for him, please.
Hey, babe, I don't like it. Stop this now. I don't like it. What is all this now? I don't like it.
I thought we've talked about this.
I don't like this thing. We've talked about it. I've changed my mind. I don't want to go to that palace.
Maybe you are not changing your mind. You are going to the palace. You are going back there. Because I don't want tomorrow, when this story is being told, you'll be found at fault.
Babe, I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this
Listen.
now. I don't like where you're
I don't want tomorrow they will say you disrespected the royal family. Go there and do your job. Please.
No, I don't like this. I don't like you putting me in this situation. I don't like it at all.
Please, you will do this. You have to go. Because you are a good man. And you are in love with a good woman. This is not who we are. Okay.
It's okay, you win. I'll go.
Thank you.
But if I get there and it comes up with any strange words or insults, I will walk away angrily.
No, you will not walk away. You will ignore whatever that is said to you that you don't like and do your job. When you are done doing your job, you go home. You're not going there to live. You're just going there to do your job. Concentrate on your job, no matter what or anything anyone says.
It's okay, ma. I've heard you, ma. I've heard you, ma.
Okay, sir. Thanks, baby. Thank you.
Love.
Baby, stop.
Love
you can be very stubborn. No, it's not love. It's because you're a good man. Baby, stop.
I will go when OBDK comes. Let me finish your hair before.
No, you're not finishing it.
Babe, let me finish
I will
your hair.
finish. I can lose my hair myself. See, I can lose it myself. Go. Or if you want BDK, I'll wait for him. I'll wait for him. Uncle, come and go.
My love for you is unbreakable. My love for you never fade away. It's you I want, it's you I want to have. No matter what they do, I'll never let you go.
There's no need for that. That's not why you're here. Get this off my back. Okay. All right. So, I called you here for a reason, not these. Having toured, I single-handedly want you, amidst every other person here, to answer this question for me. You know I'm well-traveled, very enlightened, and of course, well-to-do. And you know my base is Canada. Now, as a prince from Canada, what can I do, to get a lady, from this kingdom.
Well, my prince, in my opinion, if the ladies of this kingdom are refusing you, you go back to Canada. Oh yes, you can meet your class there. You can meet people that are up to your standard and social status. I think you don't belong here. You belong to... your wife is in Canada, my prince.
My next question. As a prince, the issue also is that my parents have said I must marry from this village, so that when I become king, of course, which definitely I'll be, won't have problems with culture, So, what is your take on that?
Well, I cannot change tradition and culture. Good. Yes, but I have my personal opinion. The truth is this. The best way to get someone that will be your wife, the person that will be the law of this kingdom, is to get someone that you love and someone that loves you. You can't force it. Love is a beautiful thing when you go to the right person that wants you. Oh yes, if they are refusing you, you look for someone that is your class, someone that loves you, someone that can give you. It's not like I don't know, but I don't want you to mandate yourself to. I live in this community. I know how our ladies used to behave. I know them. If they don't want you, if you like, be the king, they will not accept you. If they don't want you, they don't want you. Yes. If they don't want you, they won't accept you. With your money, anything they won't.
It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay.
No, it's my candidate.
I said it is okay.
Okay. Thank you, my prince.
You can leave.
It's fine, but I hope you understood what I said.
I said it's okay. You can leave.
Okay. Thank you, my prince. Thank you, my prince. But I'm just suggesting. It's better you meet people that want you, not someone that don't want you. Don't force yourself on women. Eh?
Honey, really, you've still not told me why you're so happy. Or Gilly, what happened?
Well, revenge happened. And revenge is sweeter.
Revenge happened?
Yes.
Honey, what happened at the palace? What did you do?
Did I tell you that I did anything? I did nothing. All I just said is revenge is sweeter.
Okay, I'm serious. What did you do?
Okay. What I did in the palace?
Yes.
Is that what you want to hear?
I want to hear what happened at the palace.
Fine. Okay, let me give you a situation report.
Okay.
I went to the palace and the prince said he needed my advice. I should tell him how to win a woman's heart. And trust me now, I knew he was mocking me there.
So, what did you tell him?
I used that opportunity to tell him my mind. Oh yes. I told him my mind and he became angry and asked me out. So I left.
Hi!
What is it? Eh? Do I look like a marriage counselor?
I am very, very sure you've said hurtful things to him.
Trust me now.
God, this man of mine.
You should go and look for marriage counselor.
Baby, you know you're a troublemaker, right? You're a very big troublemaker.
I don't understand. You want him to take you away from me?
Who is taking me away? See, don't go and be looking for trouble. Let them not come and arrest us here.
Nobody will arrest us.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So what did you tell him?
That you're my wife. You're my baby girl for life. You're my future. You're my baby moon. Hey, very soon I will take you to the altar.
Your bad mouth will put us in trouble one day.
You should go and look for marriage counselor that will advise him. I told him he should go back to Canada.
Jesus, so he sent you out of the palace.
He was angry. You need to see him. He was very angry.
Meet me up tomorrow. Same time. We do this like old times. Okay.
They can cook. But I know that it's not Juliana that got this. Who told your mouth? Juliana cannot.
That's why you can never say anything good about somebody.
Because I like stating the facts. Go have fun.
Hey, Jehovah.
The food was nice.
You're trying.
It's not trying, my sister. I am very good. We all know I can cook very well.
5-star.
Oh, why bye? You know, you said we should ask you what we are celebrating when we are done with it. Now we finished our food. We enjoyed it though. It's time for you to tell us what we are celebrating because we know your birthday date. We know it's not your birthday. Aria, tell us what you are celebrating.
Gift, you will never change. Your blood is always hot.
Very hot though.
Okay, girls, you just finished eating. Allow the food to digest now. After digesting, rest small. Then I will tell you what I want to tell you.
You buying mouth for us.
We
want to have this cake. As in the hot, I beg, tell us.
Yes,
What are we celebrating now?
Now or never.
Okay.
Let's hear it.
Calm down. No. Everybody calm down. I too dey rush.
One open.
Okay. It will be happening in 7 weeks' time.
What? What is happening in 7 weeks' time?
Can you people at least use your brain for once? Guess.
Wait. There's something I want to understand. And you gave us food. You offered us drink.
Cold motor.
And you said we should. Guess what? Are we the one or we are magicians?
My darling, at least for once now. You Zukeno no boron. You people should guess.
If you don't want us to play, if you don't want to tell us
not with that tone, no. You know you're curious now. I can decide not to tell you.
You must go home and you cannot sleep. Juju, baby. Tell us.
Okay, I'll
tell us, my girl.
Umadi bemo. Ndoko imo. So I called the three of you today and host you to make a special announcement. Hey, we're going to ask my special.
Alabais. Tell us.
Okay. I know you. Calm down. Hot blood. Okay, in 7 weeks' time, my paying of my bride price and traditional wedding will be going on in my father's compound. Chekwanu, calm down. The news is still not complete. Courtesy of my my one and only
So this has been the reason you've been avoiding us all this while, and you are planning something big. No, hey, and you just called us your best friends, and you are telling us now. Don't gift me.
Why do you always rush into conclusion? Do you think if we've been planning these things since, I wouldn't have told you by now? We started planning this thing just last week. I am telling you, it's an impromptu thing.
Are you sure?
All the same.
Have I ever lied to you before? Are you not my friend?
All the same. Thank God. Hey! At least the yoke has been broken. Hey, my friend!
I am so happy for you.
Hey, Julie, I can't wait that day.
My love for you is unbreakable. My love for you never fade away. It's you I want, it's you I want to have. No matter what they do, I'll never let you go. So keep on no if us all of a bebe, never leave your side. My heart will stick with you. Even though if the world is turning upside down, I go stand giddy bahele. For your love, I go sick him. I go make them to query. Say this love will not be kukere. I go stand giddy bahele. For your love, I go sick him. I go make them to